What's up guys, and welcome back. So today I've got a great new add-on called the Magic Dragon. Yes guys, it's a great new add-on for all your movies and TV shows. Guys, before I go any further, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe tab down below. So let's get down to this. Click on Magic Dragon. As you see, it opens up really fast guys. You've got catch up and movie, reel to bird. You've got people watching, which is mainly the popular folder. You got new cams, you got new movie releases, reel to bird. Remember guys, reel to bird, you will need a username and password for that. You've got catch up, documentary, kids, Kodi channels, my favorite, movies, music and radio, sports, TV and entertainment. So guys, as you see, there's a lot of folders, there's a lot of content. I've been using this add-on for some weeks now and it works flawlessly. So if we click on most popular, which is people watching, it does open up and it gives you a whole list of the commonly watched movies. So you got Rampage, you got Death Wish, you've got A Quiet Place, you got Isle of Dogs, Blockers. So guys, there's a lot of content in here and I hope you're enjoying this. So we can click back out. Let's go into Kodi channels. So if you follow a lot of YouTubers, guys, this is the page for you. It brings up all your famous YouTubers. So you got Doc Squiffy, you got Dermatology, you got CW, ABSYT, and let's go into ABSYT. Guys, this add-on works flawlessly, it works really well. So as you see, you've got playlist, search and live. So if ABSYT is on live, you're going to be able to use it on your Kodi without switching Kodi off and going directly to YouTube. So we've got a whole list of his uploads. So let's try 1+6 red. Guys, remember this add-on streams in HD as well, so depending on what's loaded, that's the type of quality you will receive. There's it guys, we have it here. So I'm just going to stop it there. As we see guys, the add-on works flawlessly. It's one click and actually works through. So we're going to go back out one more time. Going to go out again. So guys, now that you see it does work, let's get down to installing this. So we're going to go back out completely. You're going to click on settings, you're going to click on file manager and you're going to click on add source. Then you're going to click on none and you're going to enter this source. Guys, pause the video out there and you can take down this source or copy it into your cell phones, a notepad or your PC itself, right? And then you're going to click OK. You're going to give this source a name at the bottom. Guys, I've already added the source, so I'm going to click cancel. You are going to click OK. So cancel. I'm just going to show you that I've done the source already. You're going to edit source there, and there you see it guys, there's the source and I've called mine super. You're going to click cancel and you're going to go back out. Then you're going to go to add-ons. You're going to click on there. And at the top left corner you got the box. You're going to click on the box at the top left and you're going to click install from zip file. You're going to look for the source or repository name that you've given, and mine was super. You click on that, you click on the folder and we're going to install the zip file. So you click on that and now we're just going to wait till the pop-up appears. Guys, while we're waiting, remember with Kodi, I always advise using a VPN. So check out in the description. I've got IP Vanish, one of the leading VPN services. I will leave the link in the description down below. So once that add-on has been installed, you're going to click on install from repository. You're going to click on supremacy and you're going to click on video add-ons. We're going to scroll down the page and we're going to click on the Magic Dragon. Click on that, and where mine says uninstall, yours is going to say install. So once installation is done guys, you're going to click on open and there we have it guys. add-on up and running, working perfectly. Let's try people watching one more time, guys. Let's try Rampage. Just gonna show you how this add-on actually scrapes sources. So it's giving you a full list of links. Guys, some links may work, some links may not work, depending on the server. So you just need to try out the links one by one. So the Magic Dragon, enjoy your viewing experience, pops up. It's just scraping the source now. So just give it a few seconds to load, depending if the server is up and running. It is taking a bit long, guys, but it will start up. There, as you see, guys, 720, and it's up and running. So I'm gonna stop it there. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe tab and leave your comments down below. Guys, commenting on my video is going to help my channel grow, and I need the support of you guys. So if you would not mind, I do not take donations or ask for donations, just for you guys to hit the subscribe tab if you're new. And thanks to those of you that have already done this and are currently viewing my content. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.